Hey everyone, Josh Smith with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm here checking out the 2020 Passat. This is what you need to know about this new sedan. This is a brand new redesign for the Passat, and we have a new coupe-like look with a much more dominant grille up front. In a time when many players are leaving the sedan space, Volkswagen's going big with a bolder look, and they're hoping to pull off a higher end look and feel with the 2020 Passat. Part of this is a spacious new interior where you're going to find a nice mix of premium materials. Those premium materials carry over throughout the front of the cabin, and it's a very spacious cabin in the front and also in the back where I am right now, where I have plenty of legroom and I have plenty of headroom. The dash has a nice modern look to it, and they've covered the infotainment screen with glass. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On top of the line models, you'll find Fender Premium audio. As far as materials go, there's V-Tex leatherette and Nappa leather seating options, along with standard cloth seating. You can get available heated front and heated rear seats. Under the hood is a 2-liter TSI engine that delivers 174 horsepower and boosts torque up to 270 pound-foot on most models compared to the outgoing Passat. Standard 2020 Passat features include 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, full LED lighting, app connect, front assist with pedestrian monitoring, blind spot monitor, and a rear traffic alert. You can also get adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and park assist on higher trim levels. One nice feature is the adaptive front lighting system, which gives you range control and offers cornering lights so you're going to see better at night. You also get a host of other safety and convenience features. The 2020 Volkswagen Passat will be available in 4 trim levels, and a launch-only limited model should arrive at dealers this summer. No pricing is available yet, but it does include the VW 6-year, 72,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Thanks for joining me for a closer look at the 2020 Volkswagen Passat. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, leave us a comment, and let us know what your favorite feature on this car is, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.